It's hard to believe they progressed so far in such little time. I'm beginning to understand what Beerus sees in these Saiyans.
Yeah, what's going on? Sounds like a damn screaming contest.
My lord, I didn't believe you would be up this early.
What do you expect? Have you seen these ears?
Hi, Lord Beerus, what's up?
Whoa, talk about a sneeze! Good thing it missed us. I definitely wasn't ready for that.
Yeah, clearly we need to stay on guard around here.
It's just a moon this time, so we won't need a do-over.